What's up everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to draw Bluebear from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm going to draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm going to start with drawing a semicircle line for the top of her head. And from the side, I'm gonna extend the line down, and I'm gonna make a flare out with the cheek, and a semicircle turn back in at the lower point of the head. Now I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side. And at the lower point of the head, I'm going to draw across a curved line. Now on the top left corner of the head, I'm going to draw a circular line for her ear. And I'm going to draw another circular shape inside of that. And we're gonna copy the same thing on the right side. Now in between the forehead, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line down and turn it to the left at the bottom point. I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up, and then I'm gonna make another sharp turn back out to the side of her head. I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the whole thing on the right side. Now in the middle of her face at the lower point here, I'm gonna draw an oval shape. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw another oval shape for her nose. And I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Below the nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards, and I'm gonna thicken the middle point, and the outer point I'm gonna leave it with a sharp ending. Now for her eyes, I'm gonna draw a circular shape at this corner. And another circular shape inside of that. And I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Now we're gonna copy the whole eye shape on the left side. The eye, I'm gonna add an oval shape at this corner right here. And we're gonna do the same thing on the left side. Now below the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from this point and turn it downwards on the side and flare it out at the lower point. And from the shoulder point right here, I'm gonna draw another curved line down and a curved line at the sleeve. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. And from this point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. Now below the shirt, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point. And I'm gonna extend it down with a curved line and a semicircle turn at the bottom point right there and back up in the middle. I'm gonna draw across a curved line at that point. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the legs on the right side. Now for her hands, I'm gonna add a circular shape below the sleeve. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.